The hackathon is about solving real-life industry problems using augmented reality and Internet of Things. We got a number of students across different faculties involved in a really challenging and really exciting competition over this week.
The hackathon has been quite a lot different to the day-to-day university experience. I really feel like I'm practicing being an engineer and solving real-world problems and using creativity and some of the skills I've been learning at university. One of the things that attracted me to the hackathon at the start was that we're using some of the cutting-edge technology of AR and Internet of Things, which is something I'm very excited about, and it's great to actually be using it in real life.
I think the hackathon is different to what we do normally day to day in that we really get to go hands-on with the technologies, things that we've never really used before, and also apply them to problems that industry is actually having. And so I guess in that sense, we're not really using them for our assignments or studying for tests or anything, but really applying them towards real-world scenarios, which is pretty exciting.
I think this is very unique for our students. There are perhaps three things that we see big value out of this. One is the cutting-edge technology and technological solutions that we are offering here, ThingWorx and Vuforia. And the second thing is students working in a team, but they're working on the real-life problem. So the third thing is industry real-life problems. So these three things, when they come together, you see sparks.
The major difference I can see is time free. So we are given a certain amount of time to get a solution. So it's really challenging.
Due to IoT, there's a lot of data generation, and in future there will be decisions made on data analysis. So that is something which will change the future of every industry.
I was really pleased to see really innovative solutions. I think out-of-the-box approaches to solve some of the problems. And yeah, I was really happy to see how these kids in a week, solve these really complex problems.
We have two PhD students in power and also undergraduate student in biomedical. Also, I think our feedback and our experience make us to have a variety of solutions and innovative ideas. Yeah, so it's great. Yeah. For me, I think it's like great experience to communicate with the managers of the companies and know the main specific problems that they are facing.
I think it was really valuable that we gained some insights from our customer because it helped us really clarify the problem that we had to solve. And apart from that, the support that we receive on a daily basis here by LEAP is really amazing, and the facilities are really good.
We came to know much about the industrial point of view, how people see the way they want the solution to be cheap and cost effective, along with it should be feasible and accurate. So yeah, it's great learning opportunity.
I look at the problem from industry, real problems, not very challenging problems, not easy problems to tackle. So I think this demonstrates in 2 days what a good software tools like ThingWorx and Vuforia can do.
I can't believe how simultaneously powerful and easy to use the Vuforia and ThingWorx. I've been using Vuforia more, and Song's been sort of focusing more on ThingWorx, but they interact with each other really well. No coding is really required, a little bit of JavaScript, but it's really is drag and drop. Yeah, I'm really excited by the tech.
So if we didn't have access to Vuforia or ThingWorx, it would have been really hard to just do anything this significant in such a short period of time.
The problem that we were given in the hackathon, the brief was quite specific and quite direct, that they wanted an AR-based solution without easy-to-use platform like Vuforia. I imagine the amount of hard code you've had to write would have been many lines and well beyond my ability. Because Vuforia is so easy, we are only limited by our ideas and creativity as opposed to our technical knowledge, which is great.
The best features in ThingWorx, I think, are the drag and drop features. I think that the minimization of hard coding anything and replacing it with just pure drag and drop makes it so much easier for anyone of any technical skill level to really access the platform and use this kind of technologies.
The most important thing is the experience, right? Experience that is involving technology, is involving a number of mentors and experts helping them in a really nice and friendly environment.
We're really excited. To be honest, last week we worked hard. I got a new slide last night at 1 a.m., 2 more slides at 6 a.m. So that shows how hard we work, how we enjoy every moment of the hackathon. And it's actually, hackathon is not only about learning, it's about learning by doing. And through this hackathon, we had the opportunity to learn from the PTC LEAP Australia experts. Alan teach us a lot about augmented reality, and Brian, wonderful mentor for Internet of Things, ThingWorx.
The best part which worked for us was we were from different backgrounds. So I could bring my experience of my architecture background, and somebody was from mechatronics, somebody was from operation and research, and somebody was from mechanical engineering, civil engineering. So we could bring a lot of our experience on the table, and that built up a whole new, better solution for us.
Often supervisors would like their students to be proactive and connect their knowledge to industry. So I think hackathon is a good opportunity for postgraduate students to connect what they think to reality.